Rolling. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another vid. So here we have an SF Forester. This is the pre-facelift version. So this would have been the first generation essentially of the Foresters. In this vid, we're going to be doing a complete color change. We've got fender flares, side skirts, front lip, and even rear spats to put on. So visually, this car is gonna get a sweet makeover and a really unique color. We're gonna start off going around the car, kind of highlighting what is going on with the car, and then jump into prepping after that. All right, maybe 10 plus years ago, this car was body worked and painted. There's a few things kind of starting to fail on it. Not sure what's going on there. Bunch of bubbling on the hood. Overall, this car, rust-wise, actually looks really good, so that's why I was willing to take this on, because essentially it's just light body work and a repaint. This is actually like a super cool car. This is a good buds car, and I've always been a really big fan of it. Very unique. It used to be lifted, now it's lowered, and that's why he is getting into kind of the phase 2 with some ground effects on it, and starting fresh with a completely new and very unique color. Over to the rear quarter here, over the years, something has been going on underneath of this paint here. It is really unknown what is in here, but we will find out. Here's a cool Zero Sports spoiler, which has never been painted, so now we're gonna catch up on that. We're gonna be deleting this kick plate on the rear bumper, fixing that as well. Over to the other quarter here, as you can see, we have the same kind of unusual reaction going on there. This is obviously filler. For whatever reason, the primer, the paint, and now the clear is getting absorbed into it. You can see some rust coming through there. So we're just gonna chop into that, see what's going on. Hopefully it's not something catastrophic. The doors are decent. This paint job, once upon a time, I thought it was really sweet, but now that I've got a bit of an eye for paint, it's very orange peely. There's lots of scratches underneath of the base, so we can definitely bring this car up a couple tiers in its finish. Then rest of the car, pretty straightforward otherwise. So as you can see, the little hood scoop there is like a version 7 STI. Again, it's not painted, but it actually does reveal a legitimate turbo swap. So this hood is not actually a turbo hood. He did cut this scoop in himself. He's not totally happy with it, and he wants us to actually mold it into the hood. So that will kind of be fun, something different. We're actually going to be getting rid of the bush bar there. Yeah, so that's pretty much it for going around the car. From here, we're gonna go mark significant chips, dents, stuff like that. Sort through the panels as to what needs to be filler primed versus what is good to just prep and have prepared for paint. So here we go. The Tiger Malt Trio. One love. All right guys, we are now at the point we have the whole body ready for primer, and we have all of the loose pieces that need filler primer ready, prepped in the booth, ready to spray. I'm gonna go ahead and spray these, and I'm gonna cut back after that. Now we have the body all prepared here for our filler primer. We got the car masked off. I'm about to wet the floors, and we will cut back after that. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap it up here. Hope you enjoyed this video. Overall, this project took 200 hours. We were not even dealing with any rust on this. This was just a very thorough, completely disassembled paint job, along with some slight body mods. Through the process, I haven't actually sent the owner any pictures of the car. He did choose this color. The color has really grown on me. It is super awesome. Almost too awesome to even capture on picture or video. This color is from the 2024-2025 Ford Raptor and Bronco. It's a shelter green. Very cool color, super dynamic depending on the way the light is hitting it. Overall, obviously this turned out absolutely awesome. I am very happy with it. The owner is actually on his way here to pick it up. Hopefully he is just as pleased as I am. I'm gonna go ahead and try and capture his initial reaction of seeing the car for the first time. Alrighty guys, hope you enjoyed this vid, and till the next one.
Damn! No fucking way, man. That's not mine.
Wild, eh?
This is the same car that I left for you.
Yeah, sick, eh?
Oh my god.